In today's video, I'm going to be showing each and every Ben 10 fan how to play Ben 10 on any mobile device using the PPSSPP emulator. Also, I'm going to be giving you guys the best settings to apply on your emulator to get the best graphics and FPS while you are playing the game. Now, to get this done, simply open your Play Store app and then search for PPSSPP. Once you search for this, you are going to see the normal PPSSPP emulator, but I'm not going to be using that for this video. I'm going to be using the gold emulator. So simply download this PPSSPP gold emulator to your Android device. Once downloaded, simply open the emulator. Once you open the emulator, it's going to open up like this, and it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply click on OK. It's going to take you to your main directory, or if it doesn't take you to your main directory, make sure that you come to your main directory, which is this section, and then choose any folder that is going to utilize. I mostly like it using the document section, so I'll click on document, use this folder, allow, and that's it. Then I'll click on OK. It's going to open up the interface. Once the interface is open, you are going to observe that there is no game in here to play. That's because I've not actually shown it where I'm keeping my game. To show it where I'm keeping my game, I'll click on browse, and then I'll take it to where I'm actually keeping my PSP game file. Now if I come to my download section, you see that I'm having a game file in here, which is the Ben 10 game file. So all I have to do is click on use this folder, click on allow, and that's it. Now you can see that the game is in here and is ready to play. Now if you do not see your game ready to play like this, you can see the way the game is just showing over there at the top and is ready to play. If yours is not showing like that, then click the zip file. Once you click on the zip file like this, you are going to see the install button icon. Then what you have to do is just click on install or click on play, and you'll be able to play the game. So it's very easy. So I'm going to be going back right now so we can actually play the game. Now you are going to need some settings that will give you the best PPSSPP experience, like best graphics, best FPS, and everything related to that. I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to be recommending it at the end of this video. So simply stick to the end of this video so you can access that one and apply it on your PPSSPP emulator. Now let's play this game and see how it goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.